Syncing V.O2 to Garmin Connect. So this is the V.O2 app. So we're going to go to more, the bottom right hand, 3 dots in a second, and then go to Connect Apps. And then click Garmin Connect. We're going to disconnect it for the sake of this video and then reconnect it. And this is all in the V.O2 app. And so right now I'm going to plug in my login. So I'm logging back in to the Garmin Connect app from the V.O2 app. Again, this is all taking place in V.O2. Don't tell anyone my passwords. And so now we're verifying it's me and V.O2 to reconnect Garmin Connect. And Garmin Connect syncs to your Garmin wearable watch on your wrist. So we're in here, we're saving, we're saying yes to the data being shared via the 2 apps, via Bluetooth and the API, which is what the software that syncs and basically invisibly allows data to speak to from app to app, simply put. So now we're going into Garmin Connect, and here we're going to connected apps, V.O2. And here you could see everything, activities and training is connected. So yes, your data will populate on your watch for the workouts that are in V.O2 once you connect your Garmin Connect app to the V.O2 app. Any questions, drop them below.